Hi guys, so today I'm going to teach you two little drills, one to do with gaze stabilization and one to do with gaze shifting. If your eyes aren't giving good information to your brain's going to hamper your movement or probably generate pain somewhere just to give you a little bit of a nudge to say, here, something isn't functioning well, have a look at this. So this is a great little drill, first of all for gaze stabilization, just to make sure that you can focus on an area or a target. So to do this, we're going to use the technical implement of a pen that I've got here. And to start with, what you're going to do for 30 seconds at a time is hold it out at arm's length, stare at a point on the pen, and you're going to record yourself while you do this so then you can watch it back after. You're just going to stare there for 30 seconds, exciting as it is. So I won't do the whole 30 seconds, but then after that, you're going to stare up for 30 seconds, to the right for 30 seconds, down for 30 seconds, and to the left for 30 seconds. Now, you notice when I do that my head doesn't move. So the idea is that you stare at it with just your eyes only. So no sort of eye fluttering, eyebrow movement, anything like that. That's all signs that you're trying to compensate with other muscles and not just using the muscles around the eye. So watch that back, keep an eye out for that kind of thing. Sometimes you'll see people, if they're struggling with their gaze stabilization, they will stare at the point and very, very briefly look away and look back, look away and look back. That's all signs that you just need to work on these drills. So you want to build up with 30 seconds in each position. The next drill we're going to do is gaze shifting. Same idea, we're going to start with the pen out at arm's length. And you're going to start from neutral, you're going to watch it as you lift it up. As you lift it down. Back to neutral. Out to the right. Out to the left. Up and right. Up and left, down and right, down and left, and then back to neutral to finish. So the idea of this is that you can actually track a target or a ball, like the ball coming at you at 40 miles an hour on the pitch, so it doesn't hit you in the face. You can actually keep it in focus as it's coming towards you and react appropriately. So you don't want to go any further so that it goes into a blurry sort of picture. You want to make sure it's clear. You want to stop when the picture is clear. Don't move into the blur, because then you're not really focusing on it. And always come back to neutral before going to a different position. This just teaches your eyes to basically follow a target. That's all it's doing. And if it can do that, it's going to allow you to perform better. If your body's getting better information, you're going to perform better. It's as simple as that. So give those a go, let me know what you think.